Okay, so I just got done and I thought I wanted to show you, like, just got in my car. So I want to show you what it looks like. So she puts a lot of stuff on here, and she did the TCA peel, and so this is just right immediately after. Okay, so what I did tonight, I had it yesterday, and so you want to make sure, like I'm using Glymed Products Intense Peptide Skin Daily Repair Cream. I'm cleaning with my Peptide Glyco Cleanser, and you can tell I put a bunch of stuff on. I also love this peptide, I guess I've already showed this, the cream. So it really does help. So make sure if you're having a TCA peel that you wash your face at night and you put on lots and lots of nourishing cream that your provider tells you about. Okay, it has been one day and my face is very red. It's very tight. I'm not in a lot of pain. It just, you don't want to smile too much. And so what you want to do is, I use this Glymed product that she gives me to put on my face so that I can really, you know, it's going to start peeling in a couple of days. And so believe it or not, my skin is so dry. So I just put this on really thick. I've done this every year since my 30s, you guys. And this is photo age. And I just do this and I try not to smile. I try not to wear anything the next week, I try to be very comfortable. And so I thought, reality, this is what it looks like. You can see pretty red. I probably should have done it before, but I'll insert some photos so you can see what it's like. This is one day after. Okay, update on the TCA peel. I'm really swollen, so my nose, my face, this is what happens, and you get really swollen and it's hard to smile. Update day 2.